a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill.
So guys, this is where we are going to for Harmony's appointment. Just take a look at her. So the place is called the Opta Leon. So it's for eyes. Yeah, Harmony have been complaining about her eyes. Harmony say cuckoo. We came a little bit early though, so we are just going to wait. This is where we are. Guys, we are waiting for the doctor, or are they even called doctor? People that shake eyes. What they are, optic or something like that.
Opticas? Opticas?
I want to say opticas. I think they are called opticians. Opticians, something like that.
Opticians? Opticians doctor?
My face is oily, it's hot outside, and this morning it was a little bit.
Excusez-moi.
Oui.
Arrêtez, il faut pas que tu bouges ta tête. Ne bouge pas ta tête, Harmonie. Et vers toi, encore.
À la fin.
Des choses en relief, des animaux, tu vois quoi?
Des étoiles et des chats.
Oui, et bien
Des voitures.
Ah, c'est ça?
oui, c'est ça. Ok, tu peux te reculer. Enlève-toi, Harmonie. Mais surtout, tu plisses pas tes yeux, d'accord? Tu me les dis ici, les lettres?
P,
Oui,
F,
oui,
O,
oui,
R,
oui.
L,
Très bien. Et ici?
H,
Oui,
K,
oui,
O, X,
oui.
R,
Ouais, c'est bien.
Ici?
P, H, L,
Oui.
O,
Non.
R,
Dites-moi.
Ouais, d'accord.
Et ici, tu vois quoi?
E, O, K, Z.
So we are waiting in the waiting room to see the doctor now. Yeah, they just control the hype, but we still have to see the doctor. So we are here waiting.
Merci.
It's good? Oh my god. Okay, mama. Allez.
Like that. Mommy, look how red machine on Natasha. Mommy, look. Like that.
Guys, we just finished. Went to get glass for Harmony because they say she's going to correct her eyes for 1 year. Just take a look at that. Yeah. Do small, do small.
Like that.
It's okay. So guys, we got 2 glass, yeah, because you have to, when you buy one, you're going to get the other one for €1. So that's it. Guys, this is so cute, huh? We are in Ashan. Ali, let's go, Mama. Bye. Bye. Glass is so cute.
Look.
It's beautiful. This is cute though. I have the silver one, but this is the golden one. I don't know if I should take it. Yeah, they have kids, but look at this one. This is smart air fryer. For the pool. I think it's what they used to wash the pool, no?
Touch myself.
Not about that video. Let me see the front. Oh, it's so cute though. It's beautiful.
Mom is wonderful. Can go to the plage. Look at ça.
Ah là d'accord. Allez. Ah.
Tu veux le fichier, Yannick?
Comment ça touch it? Allez, come touch it. You are scared? You are scared? Look, Nathan, come and touch it. Nathan, come and touch it. Look. Nathan is scared. Come and touch it. Come. Look. Nathan is scared of animals. You are scared?
Come here, see rabbit.
Allez, come and see rabbits. Allez, come. Look at your friends, they are touching it. You are scared. Look at your friends are touching it. Look, look, look. I'm gonna come and see one little one here. Come, come, look. Look at one little one here. Look, father. Look, he's so cute. You don't... You want to hide. He's very soft here, look. He's very soft. He's very soft. Go and touch it. Touch it, let me see. How do you touch it? He's soft. Look. He's soft.
Non, Khalid, non. Khalid, laisse, il lui donne, après il te donne.
Anda, come and see. Nene, come. Come and see. Come and see chicken. Chicken, yeah, and they're no.
Mommy, come and say I'll give them to eat. Mommy, look. Mommy, come. I'll give them to you.
Allez, come. Nata, come.
I don't want to.
Who told you that they know their name? Allez, Nata, look at me. They cook. Allez, Come on, you go close to it. Go close to it, it's going to eat it. Nathan, you want to go inside? Nene. Amani, you can't touch it, no? No, can't touch it. You don't want to touch the chicken? Allez, touche. Nathan! Good, Nathan! Nathan, go and dance! Nene! Nathan, go and dance! Dance, Nene!